Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in into your ICICI Bank. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your browser and in the search bar, type in ICICI Bank login. And as the search result, you can see many options over here. Click on the first one, login to internet banking, net and online banking of ICICI Bank. It will take you to the official website of ICICI Bank. Over here in this interface, you can see at the top right corner login. Click on it and choose personal. It will redirect you to this login portal. Over here in this portal, enter your user ID of the account. Once you do that, enter your password. Now in this drop down arrow, choose bank account and click on remember user ID for the further use if you are using a private computer. But I do not recommend you to do that in the public computer. Once you do that, click on login. You will be logged into your bank account, and if you guys face any problem while logging in, you can click here trouble logging in. Also, you guys can log in into your account using your mobile number by clicking here login with mobile number. So this was for this video. This is how you can log in into your ICICI Bank. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.